Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm the Creative Siren, and this is 6 Days of Christmas Polymer Clay Edition. The first thing we're going to need is whatever color polymer clay that you want or have on hand. You'll need one color for the filling and one color for the cookie. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this circle cookie cutter here, and I'm going to cut one circle regularly, and I'm going to cut a second circle with some saran wrap. The saran wrap will give the edges of the circle kind of a rounded edge, and that's what we're looking for the top of our cookie. And then I'm going to add some liquid Sculpey to one side of the flat circle, and then add on top the rounded circle. And then using my needle tool here, I'm just going to gently blend each one together. Now with the same needle tool, I'm going to take the very end of that needle and I'm going to scuff up the very edge of that bottom circle. This is going to make it look like the cookie baked out and just kind of ruffled around the edges. Once you're done adding the texture to around the bottom of the cookie, you're going to grab your polymer clay toothbrush and go ahead and tap that to the very top just to give it a little bit of texture. And then go ahead and bake following the directions on the back of your packaging. Once that is all done, go ahead and grab whatever clay that you want to use as the filling for your macarons. Now I'm going to use my extruder here and a star tip, and that's going to give a little bit of flair to the inside filling. Now here I'm just going to take my silicone tip tool and I'm just going to mash those edges together so that there's no longer a seam. And then go ahead and grab the top of your cookie and smash it down. Now if you wanted to turn this into a bracelet, a charm, or whatever have you, you would want to put your little eye hook that you would need in order to make it as such. You'd want to do that right about now. You want to do that before this part bakes. That way it's just a lot easier to get in. Now when you're done with that, go ahead and throw it back into the oven. Now once that's all done and baked, you can go ahead and embellish this any which way that you want to. Here I decided to grab this cute little rhinestone pack that I got from a friend of mine, and really highlight the tops of these. And that's it. You can make these macarons looking any which way that they want. They can be as diverse or as simple that you need them to be, and overall they're just a really fun activity that anybody can do. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to hang out with you for the next one. If you love this video, be sure to click here to see our last video. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. See you later. Bye!